When you have chosen a template, you can start to build the presentation and add content. Let's explore the basic tools used to build your presentation. You'll discover how to choose a slide layout, import slides, reuse another presentation slides, hide, duplicate, and delete slides. There are several ways to add a new slide to your presentation. An easy way is to click the drop-down arrow below the New Slide command on the Home tab and choose the layout you want. The new slide is inserted and ready for you to use and modify. Clicking the New Slide button itself will insert the most recently used slide type. You can also create slides automatically from a Microsoft Word document. To begin, click the New Slide drop-down and choose Slides from Outline. In this Insert Outline dialog box, navigate to your file, select it, and click Insert. The slides are created in your presentation. If you already have your data stored in Word, you can have a presentation created almost instantly. As you build more presentations, you will find that you have created slides that you can reuse. This might be simply slides containing your company name and logo, or it could be that you have standardized something like a company introduction and always want to use that sequence of slides at the beginning of all your presentations. Whatever your requirement, you can reuse slides from an existing presentation. To begin, click Home, Reuse Slides. Now, browse to locate and select your file. Here we have a tick box to use or not to use the source formatting. This box is ticked by default, meaning that the imported slide will appear in your presentation formatted as it was in the original file. Unticked, the slide acquires the formatting of the destination presentation, taking on the colors, fonts, backgrounds, and other items dictated by your presentation theme and template. The slides are shown in the Reuse Slides pane. Click the slide or slides that you want to insert. The slides from your other presentation are inserted into this one. They can now be used and modified as required. You can create an exact copy of any slide in your presentation. To do this, right-click the slide thumbnail in the slide pane and click Duplicate Slide. The duplicate is always placed immediately after. The slide pane gives you access to many slide management commands such as copy, hide, and delete. You can even change the slide layout from here. Remember that any command taken here in the slide pane will be related to the slide as a whole. To choose the slide you want to manage, just click in the pane to select it. To select several continuous slides, just click the first one, hold down the keyboard Shift key, and click on the last one. To deselect, click any slide outside your current selection. To select several slides that are not in sequence, click the first slide, hold down the keyboard key Control, click the next slide, and the next, and the next, and when all are selected, leave go the control and choose your command. When multiple slides are selected, the command is applied to all of them. Now that you are building up a set of slides for your presentation, it's time to make some decisions. Will that slide be shown during the presentation or not? You may wish to retain a slide because of its content or because it will be shown in the future, but just don't want it shown right now. In that case, you can hide a slide. Just right-click it in the Slides pane and click Hide Slide. That slide's number will have a slash through it, and the content will be shaded in the Slides pane. The slide is still present, but when you run a slideshow presentation, it will not appear. Notice that the slide can still be edited. To unhide the slide, perform the Hide Slide command again. Hiding slides is one thing, but if you decide that you don't want the slide, just delete it. To delete a slide, right-click it in the Slides pane and click Delete Slide. You've explored several key presentation building features. Next time you're creating a presentation, check if you have existing content that you can use, and don't forget to operate the duplicate, hide, and delete commands when working with your slides.